Hi guys, today we will learn to remove a background of an image without using Photoshop. This is a free tool available to you online. The website is called remove.bg. You can type remove.bg in the address bar and press enter. Once you are at this website, you will see what I'm seeing right now and showing it to you. Right here you will find a button called Upload Image. I've already downloaded a couple of images from Pexels.com, and I'll click in the upload image and I will grab one of the images and click open. It will go through the image, and as you can see, it removed the background perfectly fine. I can now click to download the image or download it in high definition. I have both choices, and it is downloading the image for me. So once the image gets downloaded to your downloads folder, here you can see it gives me the image. Well, it does have a credit system which allows you to download in high definition. So if you do not want to download in high definition, you can download in low resolution. However, you have a choice. Similarly, if I want to grab another picture, I can just click on upload image and I can grab another picture. It will just go through that and will remove the background for that picture as well. Again, downloading in high definition requires a credit. If you want to download in a regular resolution, you can just simply click download. And here I have the second picture downloaded and the background has been removed. So that's one easy way for you to download a picture from the internet, or if you already have a picture for which you want to remove the background, go to remove.bg and upload the picture, remove the background, and then download the picture back to your computer, and then you can use it in whatever software you want to use it. Let me show you, for example, if I have a PowerPoint in which I would like to use this, let me bring in a blank PowerPoint presentation. And I would like to use one of these images in the background. Insert, Pictures, and then I will go to my downloads and I'm going to grab the picture, and as you can see, it doesn't have a download. It doesn't have a background. So let me draw a black background in the back, or maybe a different color, whatever, it doesn't matter. And let me push it to go in the back. So I can just click send back, and just to show you that the picture doesn't have any background. If I want to change the color to a different color, as you can see, I can change it to another color and the picture still does not show any background. So it's a very nice tool for you to remove the background of an image without having to purchase any special software or spending a lot of time in other softwares like GIMP and stuff like that. But if you're interested in high definition one, then you can either go through the credit program on this website, or maybe spend time with those advanced tools, or if you have access to other tools that allow you to remove background in one click. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this tutorial and if you want to see other tutorials like this on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Till the next tutorial. Bye-bye.